Never skip a Chanel airport. Chanel, Matthieu, Blazy, impossible to get bag from the airport. I cannot believe it. This is the next one, the Chanel unboxing, I promised you. Hopefully you're watching this right after the previous one, and it's like almost stream consciousness. I did the Hermes airport unboxing. This is the Chanel airport unboxing. I'm doing it right after. So I got something from Matthieu Blazy collection at the Chanel airport, which I was not expecting. I was trying to get the maxi flap, but I ended up getting this. Okay, so they offered me 2 bags. We'll talk about it. Never skip a Chanel airport. Ooh, are we starting a new series? Because this might be a thing. I went to 2 different Chanels. I talked to the SAs. Might be a whole thing. Also, I got interviewed. Don't know yet. I got interviewed for an article about shopping at the airport that might be coming out soon, which is really exciting. Okay. More on that later. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, a Chanel collector. And today we're doing a quick Chanel unboxing and talking about the Chanel airport stores. Never skip a Chanel airport, which might be my new catchphrase and my new thing that I'm gonna do, because I've got plenty of Hermes. This is what I just got from the airport, Hermes airport, last time. Same trip. It's an expensive trip. And bringing both of these back, whew, there was not enough overhead space. Okay. But I managed, I did it. So if that's something you're interested, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing. Keep on watching. Okay, and now Matthieu Blazy. Everyone's obsessed. Everyone can't get it. I tried a few times. I could not get it. I went all over Europe trying to get the maxi flap. Could not get it. As I was leaving, I thought, why not try the airport? And I went to 2 different terminals on this trip, because one I wanted to go to Hermes in the first terminal, because I know I've been to that one a lot. And then I went to the Chanel there, and then we went to the second Chanel at our terminal that we were leaving from. So first Chanel went in, they said they didn't have any maxis, but they were like super kind, super helpful. They said they do get bags. They have had Matthieu Blazy bags, which these bags, as you know, are really, really hard to get. They sell out so quickly. They're impossible to get, especially the most coveted ones. This one was not one of those, but this was one that is popular, and I have seen it, but I hadn't seen it in person. And I didn't think about it, but then I saw it and I was like, I can't not take it, right? So anyway, it's the first Chanel. They said, no, we don't have any, but they were super kind, and they were like, if we get something, we'll let you know. They were super like helpful, and they gave me their contact info and said, you know, let us know your next flight, your dates. If we have anything or we can get anything, we'll try to hold it for you, or maybe payment by link or whatever. We can only hold it if you have a flight. So great. I messaged them a few times. They haven't got anything in. They didn't get anything from the new launch, unfortunately. So it was hit or miss. I think this new launch was also very hard though, because everyone's asking for it, and it's even harder than the first one. And no one's been, even Cambon hasn't gotten the bags. And I'm on the wait list at Cambon, but they have not gotten them yet. The maxi flaps. Other bags, maybe not. Like they might have gotten other bags. I didn't ask about any other bags. I'm really only looking for that one. But they probably have the other bags because they had this bag. So if you want it, good ways to go check. Anyway, left there, went to the next one, and this was really rushed because we were about to miss our flight. They were already boarding. But I went in and I just asked, like, point blank, do you have any maxis? And they brought me out a regular maxi, and I was like, no, the new one. And they're like, no. But then one of the SAs, like, he clocked me, maybe didn't know me, but like gave me a look, and then ran to the back, and then came back and told the lady, like, there's this one that somebody had reserved but didn't claim. Do you want to show it to him? And then they showed me 2 bags. The tote, which is the really popular tote, kind of like the remake of the old tote, which I looked at, and I actually had been offered before the smaller size. I didn't take that. I know it's really coveted. I know a lot of people want it. I know it's really hard to get. And it's like, all of these bags are reselling for so much more. It's crazy, the prices that they're putting on them on the secondary market, but I'm not going to pay that. I'm going to wait. But it wasn't speaking to me, and I was going to just buy it just to have it. Although I ended up buying this to buy it. But I do like this one. And the other one I brought out was this one, which is the smaller version of the Kylie Jenner, Hailey Bieber shopper tote that everyone was obsessed with, which I didn't even realize they were the same until I saw it up close. So I brought this out, and I immediately tried it on, and it was so good. And I feel like this is also a bag I can, my sister will love and share, because it's that baguette style. And it's very trendy right now, but it's this one in black with gold hardware, all leather, no canvas, no funny, no tweed, no nothing. Like a good shoulder and a good size and a little baguette, and it's kind of shoulder Birkin-y because I haven't gotten a shoulder Birkin. But it's got these. I love little tassels. Anatomy. It's got one pocket in the front with the CC like thing that's kind of secluded and hard to get into because of the straps. Then it's got this closure back here, a big pocket here, a zip pocket in the middle, and then another pocket here. Yeah? Or just a big open compartment. Yeah. And the Indian girl, Bhavita, I think. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. The one that ran the runway, she's carrying this bag. She has it. And it looks so good on her. So, anyway, I got it. It was like 5 or 6. Yeah. What do we think? Do we like it? Do we love it? Do we hate it? Do we want it? Do we need it? let me know in the comments below. I'll do a review of it in a couple months once I actually started using it and like what fits and stuff like that, but I actually have not used it yet. It's literally been sitting in the dust bag. Oh, and the box was so big, like ginormous, and it wouldn't have fit overhead. I don't even know how I would have taken it. And they tried to fold it up, but it couldn't fold it up, and we were running it late. So they gave me a different box that doesn't even fit this. So I just got a box. They flattened it and then they put it in a shopping bag. And I don't even have the shopping bag because I can't find that one either, but whatever. I brought another shopping bag out. It's not the right size and a box, but you see that here? Like the shopping bag was a really big one. It's bigger than this one, but I couldn't find it. And then this is the box and it wouldn't fit. So I had to put the whole thing up top with this weird box that I don't even know, whatever, I can use it for something else, but the box was so big because I had to make the handle stay straight and it had like padding all around it. Anyway, the lady also gave me their contact and I said, please, if you have the Maxi, if it comes in, let me know. They haven't gotten it either, but she's holding the box for me for my next flight, for my next time through, which is really nice actually. Although I don't know how I would bring it, to be honest, unless I actually literally brought an empty, no, I wouldn't even be able to do that. I like to have the box. I like to be, have a place to put it in and stuff like that. The leather is very like soft and supple. I don't know how to like, it's like squishy. It's like not, it's like so malleable, soft, supple. It's like, it's like collapsible leather. It's not like as usually sturdy and stiff as Chanel is, especially with the caviar. I think this is grain calfskin. I don't even think this is caviar because it looks like it's not. No, it is caviar. Anyway, what do we think? Let me know in the comments below. This video turned out to be a lot longer than I thought. I'm excited. And we're still hoping for the Maxi. And then after that, and after my birthday, which is my birthday high, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. These were birthday gifts to myself because I did not get a quota bag offer this time. When I go back, if I go back one last time for a bag, then after that, we're stopping. As soon as I get the Maxi, one more, 25. Then we're stopping for a while. For the rest of the year, we're stopping. See if that sticks, but Anyway. All right, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.